Hey everyone, it's DJ. Happy April 8th, 2017. It is National Draw a Bird Day. Originally founded for a very depressing reason. So instead we're just gonna have some bear and draw some birds. Alright. So first we're gonna draw ourselves a nice little birdie. Look at this one. Look, it's like the boobs in a sea. Alright, next we're gonna do a little turkey. Used to be a Jehovah's Witness, so this is a first, I think. Yep, okay, yep, okay. It's a bird. How do you do the legs? That's good. Balls here. Balls here! Next! Last bird that I know of. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Yeah, that looks good. Happy National Bird Day, or Draw a Bird Day, everyone. Enjoy!